long the E-Mini S&Ps right now. As you can see, we've got, what do we have going here? We got 4 contracts going on. We got a rather small position here, but the market definitely bottomed out, and as you can see, we bought the market here. We're expecting the market to move back up into that action zone, the blue action zone. We're hitting that gray action zone. It's a rather short-lived trade, I believe. I think we've got some momentum to the upside. You can see the open profit loss here is $650, $550. And I think we're going to close this out. This is a rather quick trade here. We're going to place that market order. And let's just give it a little bit more time here. Something hit the wire here, but again, expecting the market to rally right in that blue action zone, which we are doing right now. Look to take this off.
Order filled.
All right, so that was a quick little trade. As you can see, that was a closed profit of $350 on that. I should have been a little quicker on the draw to exit this market as it was rallying up into the blue and gray action zone. You can see we closed that out for $350 there. We had 4 contracts, and we are flat in the market right now. And again, look at the market opened up, right? Market opened up a little lower today, a little lower, rallied up, came down nicely, just like a couple days ago. Look at how the market pulled away from that blue action zone, right? It pulled away from it. So what's the natural thing to do when the market isn't able to push lower? Like it right down in here, right? Right down here. Market coiled up a little bit, and the market rallied back. Rallied right into that the blue and gray action zone. Look at that. We're much higher now. Look at this. Should have taken off a portion of the position only a portion of the position. I ended up taking all 4 of the trade contracts off rather. So look at where we're at right now. 1748 rallied from 1742, 6 points up. But again, that's a nice little long trade. Could have made a little bit more on that, but here we are at resistance. Let's see if we hit some, see if we're able to break up through that 200 exponential moving average right now. Watch that very closely. So far what we've done is this was the high of the day, put in place 2, 3, 4 times 2. The first 12 minutes, you put the high in right there. Drop down, this is the low of the day, right? And we've just broken up through the high of the day. We would need further confirmation, and we need to see the market break up through that 200 before we could look to go ahead and buy that market on a pullback, right? So hope that helps. Again, a small little E-Mini futures trade for you here. And let's real quick go remember the MasterCard trade we put on yesterday. Let's look at that real quickly. All right, here we are. This is MasterCard. If you recall, yesterday we went long the March 70, right, deep in the money calls. Bought him at $4.90 when the stock was at about 73.31. And right now we're trading about 73.22. So we're still holding this position, and we're going to keep an eye on Friday's low. If the market starts to close below Friday's low, right here, then we'll look to potentially exit this trade right in here, okay? Quickly go back to the E-Minis. All right, what do you know? That 200 has held beautiful in terms of resistance. But we definitely didn't want to get in front of that freight train, right? The market really moved up. Take a look at that bar, straight up. Luckily, we had the long position from here. Got in a little higher than I wanted. I wanted to get in a lower as it broke up through this high. But as soon as it broke up through that high, did that market order and got filled right in here at 1742 and a quarter and exited the position right in here. Again, for $350. Okay, quick trade. Watch the MasterCard trade. Hope that helps. Have a profitable day. Bye for now.